I'm gonna do like a quick video to introduce the card. So here's a computer keyboard and mouse tray that I added based on your request, and the shelf that contains everything for the controller and the computer and the power. Here's a screen where we can run the software from. Okay, this is the arm that we talked a lot about it. This is where the boroscope is gonna be fixed at the end. And if we go here, here's where the boroscope is gonna fix at the beginning. We have like a little mimic of a rod of 25 millimeter. And those are like the proximity switch. This is for the arm, and this is for X, and this is for Y. Those are the motors here for, again, Y, X, and for Z axis, the R. Okay, here we have an emergency switch. You have to hit it to disable the machine. If the machine is not acting well, you have to release it if you wanna the software to work correctly. So here I'm gonna run the software. First of all, we have to hit the e-stop button here to start the software. Again, if I had the proximity switch, it's gonna be disabled from the software straight away. If you try to enable it from the software, you can't until you release the hardware emergency switch. Now it's okay. All right, first of all, I'm gonna go to a general operation and home the machine. Here's the machine is gonna home. So first of all, it home the Z-axis, and then it start here homing the Y-axis and the X-axis. Okay, so the machine zero now, as you see, so we can start working. If we hit, for example, Y plus, the machine is gonna move to the front. If we hit Y minus, it's gonna move to the back. So it doesn't move until the limit. So it doesn't exceed the limit, sorry. And it doesn't exceed also the end. So it keeps going. Okay. Until it's like 12.5, 12.6. So this is the maximum that it can go to. All right, I'm gonna get it back. Now it's coming back toward me. Okay, and now I can move the arm up. As you see, it's moving up now. And I can move the arm. Okay. See, now it's supposed like to move the boroscope. You see when it hit the end here. So this is where the boroscope goes. Again, I'm gonna do it again. And also it has a limit. It doesn't exceed the limit. Okay. So up here, I can keep going. This is the top. Okay, so we did also some improvement to the machine and some modification. For example, here we put 4 bearings. They were like 1. It was like designed for 1, so we put 4 two from here and two from the other side to guarantee the steadiness for the arm over here. And I'm gonna show you the machine. Okay, yeah, this is everything. All right, so one more thing that I need to show you here in the software. There's many things I'm gonna do like a software video for you. But for example, if you wanna now do like go to the arm operation and work only, let's see, first let's go to a specific height. Okay. So I'm putting it at like like 10 inch. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the arm. It's very important to go to the arm when you are like working, inspecting in the tube, so you don't move the X and Y and you don't hit the arm with the wall of the tube. So here you can just move to any step that you want. Let's say 2 inch here. All what you need to do is change the mode to step, you see, continuous step. Okay, and then you can move it. Here the speed of the step, you can set it for, let's say, 100. And hit enter. And then if you move the arm now, you see it moves in step. Each time it moves 1 inch, 2 inch, sorry. If you go to, let's say, 0.2 inch, enter, and then you try to move it, you see, it moved like 0.2 inch. If you go to 0.5, and then you move it, it goes 0.5. If you want it faster, you can just set it up here. Let's say go to 200. All right, then move it at 200. Same thing you can do for the other axis, but I don't recommend to use step for the other axis. So if you move here to the other axis, okay, you still can do it. You see? I'm moving 0.5 inch each time. Okay, so that's everything. Hopefully we still have to work to do some work on the wheel, as we said. We installed the wheel here, but we still have to do some work on them. They should be fine. They should be fine soon. All right.